So this is me here in Tabaco City in Albay. So Albay is located in the province of Bicol. I want to go around here because I will did quick stop here for only one night because I'm gonna go to Catanduanes tomorrow morning. I couldn't make it through the flight because of the cyclone that is going on there. So I decided to take another route so that I can come here. Wow, that's really cool. She's so smart. And what do you want to do when you grow up?
So I want to be a police because my cousin died so that's why I will continue her dream because she died.
And by the way, there is a barber shop here. There's some people there enjoying barber shop. Can I rebond my hair, please? Can I rebond my hair? No. No rebond calbo? No rebond calbo? No. Okay. I will come to have a haircut. Maybe later. When you say about rebonding your hair with this, anyway, this all people from Legazpi and Legazpi area and adding the Santo Domingo, when they want to take a ferry to go to Catanduanes, they will come here in this City Tabaco. I've never been this before, so I'm gonna go. I heard they have a good food, so I'm gonna go eat their food. But look here, the construction is giving a picture of like maybe Hispanic, This city here, there's nothing strange. They have a cup of still they're saying a short for 50 peso, and a 50 peso is $1. So with $1 you have a piece, and they say mixed pants. And the hotel I'm staying in is that hotel there. The hotel is on the second floor, and there is a Chinese restaurant right there. It's a Chinese restaurant, but they just told me that the owner of this hotel here is the owner of another hotel there called the Finna. That one there, the green hotel there. And you can tell because they all have like a same color. But look at this blue building here. Amazing. But first, withdraw money. I want to tell you that in the Philippines, when you withdraw money, they charge you $250 in most of the ATM using a US card, 250 peso. That's around $4.50. Yeah, it's not little, but sometimes you don't have a choice. This busy city of Tabaco was established by Franciscan, and those are Catholic, who came to establish it here in 1587. But the city separated itself from Franciscan governance in 1664. So that has been taking a little bit of time, and it became like a harbor of the most influential trade port in Albay. And actually is the second city in Albay in terms of population, because it does have almost 140,000 people living in this or more. And the city has the main port that will take you in another island, especially when you're going to Catanduanes. Yes, using the ferry, you will have to come here. And those people going to Catanduanes using the bus from Manila, they will go all the way and they will come here in this Tabaco. So Tabaco, as it's written, they said it's become the major city in terms of trade, which makes sense because it's open to many other islands. Voila, dragon fruit. How about this banana? I want this. I would like this one here. Yeah, this one here. Hey, that's a lot. That's a lot. Maybe 4? Yeah. My tummy is small. So, do you like kare kare or bulalo? You?
No.
If you choose one. Bulalo. So I've been asking people a lot. Many people they will go for bulalo. It looks like. Hello, do you like kare kare or bulalo? Which one you like the most? Please tell me. Only those they say they like kare kare. But many people they say bulalo, include myself. You like kare kare or bulalo? You?
Bulalo, bulalo.
You see a lot of fan of bulalo. This guy like bulalo. Kare kare or bulalo? Her.
Kare kare.
Kare kare. Possibly kare kare is for female and the bulalo is for male. Possibly. This lady is confused. She's confused. I gave her some coins and I tell her to put on the weight there. And then she's asking, she told me it's a 40 and I asked her how much the coins for 40. She said it is 60. Then I gave her, hey, my Clevers. You go YouTube Clevers, you see this. Yeah. So I'm asking, they say this one is for 67, they say is the best. She said it's the best. It's the best. And it's a cheese. Maybe I should buy this and go to give them to that lady I saw selling banana. The one I gave the coins. I'm gonna go give her. You think if I give it to a senior, she's gonna like it? Yeah. They like sweet? Okay, let's buy for a senior. Yeah, she's selling banana there. Very nice lady. Yeah. Wow. And they sell Hawaiian pizza too. What is Texas pizza? No? No New York pizza? No. Just Hawaii? Just for information that in America, Filipino, the first state that has a lot of Filipino is Hawaii, followed by California. And the reason why is there was an opening during a certain time that many Filipino were taken to go to work in Hawaii. I think Filipino and the Portuguese, that's what I learned. And they had to stay there and to live there. And they're bringing, petitioning their relatives. So Filipino has a very big population in Hawaii, more than many other states. These kids here, I ask where I'm from, they say I'm from Cambodia.
You from Cambodia?
You think so? You say I'm from Cambodia. You think I'm from Cambodia?
I think.
You think?
Yeah.
She say that I'm from Cambodia. What's your name?
Lovely.
Lovely?
Yeah.
That's a good name.
Yeah.
How about if you tried this before? Can you open? Can you open?
Money.
Why? Can you open it, Bo?
I don't have money to buy it.
You don't have money, but you have an expensive umbrella and an expensive purse.
It's expensive.
Yeah? Yeah, it's very expensive. Yeah, let's try this.
Look.
Let's try it.
You.
Yeah, let's try it. You have a napkin? Like a tissue? Yeah. Let's try. Can you hold for me like this? Yeah. Here. Yeah, start. Yeah. Hey, try it and tell me if it's good, then I'll buy for someone.
Yeah, I know.
I know.
Try you. Try it.
Let's make the kid happy here. I really like it. So
What's your page?
I'm gonna tell you my page after you finish to eat. Yeah, eat that. Yeah, please. Yeah. Yeah, eat that. It's really good. It's I don't know what they're saying because they're saying Bicolano and I'm not good in Bicolano. It's delicious, right? Sarap? Masarap? Yeah. Yeah. Can you give them another bag? Each one can eat? Like, yeah, can you give another plastic? Yeah. Look at these kiddos here. I was just They were just passing by here, and they said I'm from Cambodia. That's the most interesting part. They say that I'm Cambodia, but I'm gonna make them happy. I like making kids happy. That's really cool.
So delicious.
So, what's your name?
Lovely.
Lovely. You?
Christina.
Christina?
Yeah.
And
Gemar.
who?
Gemar.
Jemar. And you?
Joanna.
Joanna. Oh, and you?
Raven.
Raven. Okay. Oh.
Name.
Nice. All of them have a really cool name.
What is your name?
My name?
Yeah.
Bulalo.
Bulalo.
Yeah. You go to school? Which grade?
8.
8th grade, and you?
7.
7.
6. 7. 6. 6. 6. 7.
She's tall. That one is very tall. You say you like it. You can enjoy it. You say you like it. Later. You're full. Okay. Good. Yeah. So the coordination is not for everyone. And you have him there. He just told the other traffic law enforcers there and tell them to release these people. And on the other side here, they just hold them there temporary. That's really good. Yeah, that's really good. They're doing very hard work here. When you have the absence of red lights, the old school looks so beautiful and entertaining. So now it's this and there. Wow, that's really cool. Beautiful. This reminded me a little bit of Mongolia, while you're having people waiting to cross there. So he is gonna stop those there, and then after he stop those, these people are gonna cross, and this year they're gonna go that way. Very interesting. Not easy. Look at this here. And this coordination goes all the way there. You see, they just released them. You think they're gonna like it?
Yes, they can.
So there's some people across the road there who are calling me much. They're there. I think they've seen my page or something, because I've been coming to Albay several times, and my YouTube has been run. But let's go give them first this, and see if they're gonna like it. And I think we will wait until the officer releases us to go. I'm gonna follow the local. Thank you so much. So this, hello. Wow. So we're here. It's look like it's a kind of a Valentine's. Is it a Valentine's store? Valentine's Day store? It's for Valentine. By the way, this is for you.
Thank you.
Yeah. You like that?
Yeah, thank you.
Looks like you don't like it.
I'm shy.
I'm shy too. You know, Filipino, they like saying that I'm shy. Yeah, can I get a piece too?
Okay.
Can I get a piece too? Yeah, the piece. But you start with the boss. Give the boss first, I will be the next. Kuya is the boss? Oh, the boss is the one in the black? The one who black dress is the boss? Yes, boss. The one in the black is the boss? The one?
Over.
So anyway, I'm gonna leave here because of the musics. And you know, YouTube with the music, they're not really friendly with the music, so I will leave here. Otherwise, They're good people. Looks like they're selling the stuff for Valentine's. I'm gonna leave. So this is something. You see the lady here, she's pregnant. And you say the baby is coming in March.
Yes.
And this is the father. The father. Are you sure you are the father of the baby? Oh. And like a biological?
Not really, sir.
I'm sorry to ask. Is he the biological father?
No, it's not.
He's not. Okay.
Yes, she's a lesbian.
So who is the biological? But you say the father is here.
I'm just joking,
You're
sir.
joking.
Yes.
Oh, I see. Okay. So he was just joking. I hope you enjoy that with the coffee.
Yes, sir. Thank
And
you.
this is my YouTube channel anyway. It's just Clavers. Yeah. Is that okay? I can share this?
Yes, you can.
It contains the baby who is coming in March. Okay. Thank you so much. Stay blessed.
Thank you.
Wow. Really good people. And they're shy like me. Like this lady here, she says she's shy. She says she's shy. Okay, let me go get the food. The food first. Look at this guy here. Look at this guy here. Can I see what's right here? Look at this guy here. Parantana ko ang speaker ko dawanga I don't know why. He's just listening to the music. I think he has a Bluetooth that is playing. That's really cool. And this is the blue, and this is like, I wonder if it's owned by a government or by who. Look at this building here. Wow. Oh yeah, there is an ATM there. That's my favorite ATM. I'm gonna go there. Hey, you like, I have a question for you. You like, do you like bulalo or kare kare?
Bulalo. Bulalo.
Why? You like bulalo or kare kare?
Bulalo. Bulalo.
Why not kare kare? Why not kare kare?
Because the weather is so
Oh, okay. So bulalo make you warm.
Oh, bulalo.
Which bulalo you like? You like a Carabao bulalo?
Bulalo.
Which one? Carabao bulalo?
Oh, yan Carabao bulalo. Ay, di. Beef bulalo.
Beef. Where can I find the beef bulalo here? Where?
Beef bulalo.
Yeah. Tell me.
Daan mo sa plaza.
To the plaza?
Sa plaza.
Okay.
We have a bulalo dyan.
Oh, I see. Okay, I will go there and see.
After 6.
Good. After 6?
Oh,
Okay. You like bulalo or kare kare?
Bulalo.
Why?
Bulalo masarap ang laman. Ang buto-buto.
Bulalo masarap, but kare kare no masarap.
Matabang.
By the way, masarap means delicious.
Delicious.
No? Kare kare no?
So matabang. Walang lasa. Ang kare-kare.
Okay, I don't understand what he's saying. But I think bulalo has a lot of fun more than kare kare. That's what I've seen. But first I need to get money there so that I can know what to do. Do you like bulalo or kare kare?
Bulalo.
No kare kare? So bulalo has a lot of fun more than kare kare. So I have the right also to like bulalo more. And I think, Bo, you like bulalo or kare kare? Bulalo or kare kare?
Fried chicken. I like fried chicken. Bulalo.
He said not bulalo, he likes fried chicken. That's really funny. That's so funny. Harvard, the USA. Wow, you went there?
English.
Ano daw?
Bo, you went there, you? You went?
Balik ka na sa USA.
Ako? Oo. Hindi.
No?
Pinoy ako, Pinoy.
Pinoy?
Oo. Tagalog.
Pinoy, Tabaco?
Oo, Tabaco.
But you like bulalo or kare kare?
Oh, bulalo is good.
Bulalo you too?
Oh, yan, bulalo.
All these people here,
Bulalo is purok
they are
5.
fan of bulalo.
Purok 5 bulalo.
Really, where?
Purok 5, barang hawon.
The best
You
one?
making padjak-padjak. Bulalo.
The best one?
Yeah.
I think they're telling me where you can find a good bulalo. But they say you will need to take this. How many minutes? From here to
10 minutes.
10?
10. Kaya ko 110. Kaya mo 10?
No. How many minutes?
Powerful.
How many? Five? Five? And you will not miss this old building, which is 80 years old. That's what the locals told me. And it was built by Chinese. And it owns a mall that is called the LCC. So 80 years old. I was trying to know if there is any building that left by the Franciscan, because I'm pretty sure beside the church, there are some buildings that were left by those Franciscan right here in Tabaco. And this is the city center where people have to be directed by the law enforcers. Otherwise, it's very, very tricky. There is no traffic light, so the law enforcers are doing all the job. Not easy. And especially people crossing to go to this mall behind here, which is 80 years old, bought by Chinese. And the city is known by the culture. They say that they have a strong culture of oneness. And you can see as you're going around here, people, how kind they are. And very close to you. Some of them are shy, but not everyone is shy. Like these guys here are not. What's your favorite? You like bulalo or kare kare? Bulalo? I told you, people love bulalo more kare kare. Bulalo good. Carabao bulalo. And look at those guys there over the street. My account. You want me to show you? You follow me?
Yes, I follow you.
Because I like bulalo too. You watch YouTube, you watch Facebook?
Facebook.
YouTube wala? YouTube wala? Okay. Okay, there are some people who are waiting for me terribly this. Let's go see them what they want and what they mean. Because they looks like they just, and Filipino are just amazing people. When I go there, they're gonna be shy. And you will see that. Look at all these folks here, young people. What are you selling? What are you selling? For what? For what? This is for?
Family.
Is that for Catholic?
Your kids.
So, hold on. You go to school, right?
Yeah.
And if you sell this,
We have baon.
oh, it's like a Catholic thing. They're saying the best family prayers. How much?
20 pesos.
20 pesos?
20 ba?
Is it a fundraising?
No.
So if I buy it, who take the money? You?
Yeah.
You do what with the money? For school?
Yeah.
What, like you buy what for school?
Food.
For food? Not school supplies, no? Just for food?
ball pen.
Oh, bigyan.
So, if I understand well, you're selling this so that you can get money for food? Food where? Food where? Where?
And
In canteen?
yes.
Like a lunch? How much is lunch?
50 pesos.
Yeah? 50 pesos?
Show my rice.
Yeah?
Show my rice.
Show my. What is the price of regular?
20.
20?
Yes. 20 pa. You buy.
We,
Your kids.
okay, hold on. One more question before. One more. Who is in 12th grade? Who is in 12th grade? 12.
Sino grade 12? Sino grade 12?
12. Who is in 12th grade? 12.
Yes.
Grade 12. You are in 12th grade? What? You know that alcohol is bad, right?
Yes.
Especially when you're in school.
No.
Okay. You follow me. Only you. So I want to give them a little bit of money, but I want to give to one person. He says in 12th grade, then he can divide with others. So maybe I should do that with another adult, so that I can trust them.
27. Yan, may-ari ng bangko.
So these boys here, it's very hard to talk. So they are selling this candle for $20 peso, right?
Yes.
So one is 20 peso, and then they're saying that the money they get, they're gonna use it in what?
Food.
For food at school. Shoma and rice?
Yes.
So for school canteen. And how much you buy one? How much you make profit for one?
It depends.
Yeah.
Guys. So much profit because the candle is, very, very expensive.
We have. Hold on. So you say that I will put it. Hold this here. Hold this. You say that for one, only for one. How much you make profit for one?
It depends because candle is very expensive in the Philippines. But if you make it, then it will have no expensive. You know that.
So you bought it somewhere and you sell it.
Yeah.
You bought
No,
for-
we made it. We made it.
You made this?
Yeah, we made this. My mother made that.
Your mother made
Yes.
this from home?
Yeah. We buy this, then we buy this color too. Then we made that candle.
Here is the story. Now I just find something strange here. So the mother of this girl here makes this at home.
Yeah, made
And
this.
then they will give to this kid here to sell.
No, they have their own they buy too.
They buy from you.
No,
Their parents,
different parents.
they make them.
Yeah.
Oh.
This is my brother though.
No,
This is my brother.
That's your brother?
Yeah, then where's my brother too? There you wearing jacket.
How old are you?
I'm 14, turning 15 this September.
Oh, this September.
Yeah, September 30.
Oh, so we're gonna buy it. And that is 200 pesos.
Yeah.
Make them happy. Okay?
Yes.
We're gonna buy 10.
Yeah.
Let's buy that. So we get the candles. And this girl here, she's so smart. They are not coming from one family, same family. So I asked her and I said, who can I give the money to distribute to others? She said, me, her. Because she's more trusted more than anybody. And she seems serious. So let's do this with the candy. Let's go to give to those people there. Yeah.
Or some other people.
Yeah, let's give to these people. Yeah, let's give one. You give. You go give there.
There.
Yeah, these people on the tricycle.
Driver.
Yeah, go give them. So we're gonna give the candles to those people there. She's really smart. I wonder how smart she is. Look now. Huh?
Thank you.
Can I get one? Can I get one? One. Hey, Po. Yeah, we bought the candles, then we just gave them there. Really good people. Hey, I don't want to lose my way because I need to find the food and eat. But I need to find food in canteen or I go in the mall. This is a strong story here that really touched me. So her dad passed away when she was 3 months. And they're selling candles. one of the relatives will go on the street the other way there. That's the way I was doing when I was younger. I remember when my mom raised us, we will go to sell in different streets, and that's what is happening with her here. She's so fluent in English. She speaks good English more than me. Very, very good in English. And she was telling me that they live because of that. And the mother is a single mother, raising four?
We are 6 siblings.
6.
I am the youngest.
She's the youngest. Oh yeah, it makes sense. Your dad passed away, and the only things that help you to depend on is the candle.
We sell candles to have food and shelters to help us.
Do you rent the house where you live? Or
There inside. We rent it for 3,000.
3,000 every month? Wow. Wow.
We also pay for water and for it.
Maybe I will visit you one day. Your mama will be happy if I visit you one day. And then I can eat maluto.
Yeah, so you like kanin?
Kanin. Yeah, it's life.
Yeah, it's so yummy.
Wow, that's really cool. She's so smart. And what do you want to do when you grow up?
So I want to be a police because my cousin died so that's why I will continue her dream because she died.
And your cousin was a police?
Yeah, she was graduating but then she died.
Oh. How did he die?
Like 2022 she died.
Accident?
Yeah.
So I'm sorry I had to go to find the food, but I need to get contact of this family that I will visit one day. Very smart girl.
The Yunor family.
Wow.
Yunor family,
Say it again.
Yunor family are
Me?
Yunor family. That's my real name is Zanya Leonor. Then our Yunor family. Is
Oh, Leonard family. Okay, I will visit Leonard family one day. Thank you so much. You are very, very smart. Tell your mom one day I will visit you, for sure.
Thank you so much.
Wow, very smart girl. Wow, I just met this girl, and for sure I will go to visit their family. They have a very heart-touching story that will really shock you on how the mother is living as a single mother. Guys, respect the single mothers. Many of the single mothers in this world, they are living a very life experience that you can learn a lot actually for not taking for granted what you have. And that girl in particular, she just shocked me. She really just shocked me. Hey, do you like, what is better, bulalo or kare kare? Everyone says bulalo. Why? Why?
It's good. The broth is good.
Than kare kare?
I personally don't like it. Good,
But mostly bulalo.
yeah, we prefer bulalo.
I go for bulalo.
Thank you.
I will go for bulalo. But I can't find it here.
Or maybe you can go to the small No, bulalo. Bulalo.
By the way, my son was born with gray hair. She likes it a lot.
Wow.
Even now, he just turned 22. He has a lot of gray hair.
Me too.
How old are you?
I am 15.
15?
Yeah.
Oh, you're tall for 15. So you go to school?
Yes.
You saw those kids selling candles there. You saw kids selling candles, right? They told me that they're selling the candles for family to survive.
Yes.
Is it true?
Yes. Mostly.
Wow. So I met this girl, she touched my heart a lot. She's really amazing. For sure, I will go to visit that family of that girl. Just stay in touch. For my next video, I will plan the time and I will go to visit them. Because she just touched me, and especially the family, what they do for surviving. The mother making those candles, and I call the family, because this area here is mostly dominated by Catholic. So you do something related to Catholic, yeah, it's a good deal. And sending the kid to go to sell them on the street, that's awesome. I grew up like that, in such kind of a struggle with a single mother. That's really amazing. at this here. Look at that lady. So I'm gonna go inside here and eat their food, and I think I'm gonna enjoy it. That's the only place they say they have like a food court or food park. So it's inside there. I'm gonna go there and see what I can eat because I'm hungry. So I just changed my mind. They told me that there's a place, it's called the Plaza. That's where I can find more good food, like a Filipino food. They call it street food. That's the one I'm looking for. I'm not looking for the famous food, but I wanna eat local. And that is Chinese. It's called Tobacco Pei Ching High School, recognized by the government. And as I said, Chinese has a very big influence in terms of investment and economy and also education. Like this huge building here, 80 years ago, was built by Chinese. And as I'm going to the plaza to eat the food, when you come to Tabaco, don't miss that. Just for your information that Chinese took over a lot of things that mostly were influenced from Hispanic. They colonized this country, the Philippines, for many, many years. This is how Catholics have a big influence here. And this is a part of their culture, and they will be raising this statue. And I think the one on the top there is like, I don't know, the saint. I don't know. Ma'am, who is this? Who is this? Yeah?
Yeah.
So I see most of those candles, they will bring and they burn them there behind me. That's how big influences Catholic in this country, especially in this city. And you have here behind me now, in front of me, I mean, you have like the old church there. I don't know how many years is there, but they will go and burning there. Is that to give a wish or something? I don't know. They do this every Saturday. Every Saturday? Every Sunday? Every Sunday? So they do that every Sunday. That's what they just told me that. So every Sunday they burn like candle. And why? Is that like a giving a wish?
Yes.
Oh, for wish. And who is this?
Niño.
Eh?
Niño.
Niño.
Santo Niño.
Oh, Santo Niño?
Santo Niño.
From Cebu?
Yes.
Cebu? He's a saint? He's a saint? Oh. Okay.
Delivered.
Oh.
Celebrity.
Yeah. San Domingo is someone that is celebrated. How old the church?
Yes.
How old?
You know, nakalagay your ano yun?
Oh, it's written in there?
Ano, 80, ano, sa taas.
Okay, let me go see. Okay. I'm going to see how old is the church. Because I'm very curious. The church is so beautiful and old style. And the lady was asking how old it is. And she said, just go there. Here is the church here. Look at that. And you have that manor right there. Wow. So I saw Santo Niños, I forgot how to say that, very popular name here in Cebu. I mean, in the Philippines. But I think originally was from Cebu. But look at this church here. It is huge.
At itugutan siya na magtulog sa atong mga pamilya, komunidad at pang-araw-araw na buhay. Matulog na po at sarabay niyatong awiton at awit sa pagbuhon.
Look, one of my best food in the Philippines is this. It's called mane. This. You eat it fresh. Just peel that and you eat the peanut inside. It's just incredible. And that lady there is trying to open the door of the truck by herself. Coming out of the truck is not easy. Anyway, money. Thank you so much. Plaza food. Thank you. Yeah, I just got money. So the Catholic movement is very, very big here. That's officer. Very nice police here. Very nice. And by the way, the city hall is behind here. Very huge building. And beside that, you can see today is Catholic in the Philippines is very different from other Catholic religion you may know. I mean, if I say Catholic religion, people say they say only one Catholic. Yes, only one. But the way Catholicism is practiced in the Philippines, it's more even traditional. And especially, they will go and celebrate the person they're talking about there. So, it's a very, very traditional culture and a very strong that keeping them in the traditional that they got it from, especially Franciscan who moved here. So look at all these people here. Look. All these are coming to celebrate this moment here. And they will go around the city. Wow. And the city hall is just there. I like the building, it's just amazing. And their slogan is faith, hope, and love. So pretty much has a good word there. That can make someone stronger. Especially myself, I'm very, very tired today. I didn't sleep well the place I slept, but yeah, this is the Tabaco City Hall here. Beautiful building, really beautiful. How old is the building? You're not from Tabaco? You are not? You didn't learn history? No? Next time know how old it is. It's good to know that. Wow, that's really beautiful. Goodbye. So this building here
hey.
was built in 1914.
Yeah. Since 19.
Wow. And
Shout out to my friend over there.
this is the guy who just gave me that history. And the kid, why children they don't know? They don't know.
I don't know.
They don't learn
Maybe-
any history.
maybe They don't. They are very.
Shy.
Yeah, very shy.
Well, so we just know that this city hall, which is so beautiful, was built in 1914. So it's been here for a while. And it's really beautiful architecture. It looks like a little bit like I will say, Hispanic touch, kind of. And you have the food court here. Not food court, like a restaurant. From Mary Joy's baker shop. Yeah, you come here, you enjoy. Good things. And you have a Santa Claus. Finally, I'm in a food court, so I'm gonna enter inside here. They say that's where you're gonna find the most delicious Filipino food cooked here in Tabaco. So I'm gonna go inside there. So I just discovered the place. So this is the place where I was looking for. And I'm gonna come here. I like eating. This reminds me much more in a Cebu and a carbon market where you can sit and have the most delicious Filipino food. I love this more. So I'm gonna go here and see what I'm gonna have. Where are you from?
I'm Philippines.
So time to go to find what I'm gonna eat here. Let's see. Yeah. Now I'm in presence of the lovely Filipino food. My stomach is started already with all this food here. Started already like saying I need. The red light is on. And you have a fish. You have this guy here like cooking most of the greens, and they have I think that is tuna. I'm gonna eat that tuna. Obviously. They cook it in coconut. Wow. This is tuna? Yeah, I'm gonna have that. I'm gonna have that. Oops. Yeah.
60 pesos.
Yeah, can I get 2 pieces? Yeah. Look at that. So this is what I was looking for. You wanna eat Filipino food? That no soup. Yeah, that's right. Just a little. 2 pieces. 2, okay, good. Yeah, I like picking up different, so I'm gonna get this and I will go another place, get another one. Yeah, and the guy is enjoying it there already. What are you eating? This meat, pork, or adobo? Oh. Yeah, look at this here. This is what the guy is eating here. Wow. How much? 120. 120? So those are 2 pieces of tuna. You get it for 120. Yeah, this looks beautiful.
Small fish.
Yeah, how much?
40.
Can I get?
Yes. Nice about.
She's telling me go. Like buying more. Look at that food there. No. I have already 2. How much? 90?
90.
Okay. Wow, look at that. And look at that guy who's working very hard. What is that rice there?
Fried rice.
Oh, fried rice.
Bigger.
Wow.
Your brother, your brother.
Wow. Yeah, my brother. Yeah. So I'm really curious. I'm just gonna go inside here and try the lugao, which is amazing food. I heard that this lady here, she is incredible in cooking that, and she's well known there. And the people are touching me. they will touch me to see if they touch on me, and they look. People from Tabaco. Probably it's the first time to see a black man. That's why a negro. That's why they are touching me, and the kids were just comparing. Anyway, the food, getting some food here is the priority. This guy just cook here. He's cooking fried rice. So they saying that guy is my brother. I love that. Yeah. And this lady here, she said I'm from Iran. Iran. I'm not. I'm from Texas. Yeah, not Iran. Some people call me from Iran, others they say I'm from Cambodia. So that's really so funny.
Funny.
But my food, I forgot my food.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. So what else? I think this should be enough. I need to go and sit to a place and eat, because that's the place to come to eat. Wow. Look at all this. I forgot how they call this. Look at that lady there. What is this again? Lugao. Yeah, lugao. I forgot that. It's one of the best. And especially when it's been cooked by this lady. From Tabaco, yeah. I think with love. I think I'm gonna get one too. Can I try one?
Yes, you can.
Just little. Yeah, that's enough. And look what she put there.
You want egg?
Yes. Not balut. No balut.
No. Oh, yes. You can eat now.
Look how she's working very hard. And this is what I just got here. I think I put a picture of this lady here.
Tabot ako sa America. From Africa? You're from Africa?
Me?
Yes.
From Santo Domingo.
Santa Linda, right? Yes.
No, I'm just kidding. I'm from America. The first time I saw this was I was in Baguio. I think I saw this guy was selling it going around, I think in Lugao, in the morning. Or maybe it's different. But this one they cook it and they put with egg. And I'm pretty sure it is salty, not sweet. Oh, it is delicious, sincerely. It's really delicious. Oh my God, that's why people are coming here. And then we get this with the eggs. Wow, look at that. And the one who is selling it and cooking it, she's right there. Look how fast she's working. Yeah, this is so delicious.
Yes.
Sarap.
That's delicious.
I don't know what they put in it, like I think it's onion. She's very happy. She's saying so many customers.
Did you know? I have so many customers. Oh?
Yeah, they love you.
Yes, because my aunt is very...
Wow. That's good. And a lot of people. Gosh, it is so filling and very delicious. I can't wait to finish it.
It's delicious.
Cook with love.
Yeah, me. My husband.
And she's saying that to cook with love with her husband. And that's the husband right there.
That's the one cook.
Wow. That's really cool.
Ito doon yung may bunay.
Lato na.
I'm from Texas. Wow. Some people they were saying I'm from Iran and other Cambodia. So this is
Do you want to taste
really
lumpia?
good. Oh, I know lumpia, but I'm good now. Thank you. I know lumpia. I'm gonna eat this.
Gulay balok.
She was giving some lumpia. And she said the reason why she have a lot of customers, she cooks with love, which is true. Delish.
Thank you, sir.
I need to pay.
No more.
No, I'll pay.
That's for you. No more.
So I think I just got what I needed. I have a food. I gotta go. And they're really good people. They give me everything I wanted. Look now, the market of fruit all here. All these are market of fruit. Do you have any dragon fruit?
No.
Where can I get it? Voila? Okay. Next week? You send to me next week. I come here next week. Balik. Thank you. Yeah, dragon fruit is my favorite, but they don't have it. Voila, dragon fruit. Voila. I don't know what the chicken is, but very soft is the bone. In the food court, is among the, I think the tribe, so they're a little bit darker. And everyone was saying, hey, here is your brother. But we're all brothers and sisters. No matter how we have our own differences in our head, we're all the same. We all bleed the red blood. So folks, I just woke up this morning and I woke up around 4 a.m. because I couldn't sleep much because of time differences, but I'm here at this hotel. The room that they gave me at the first was a standard room, then it was too small. I had to upgrade and to go to another room. So the hotel, it's very hard to know that it's a hotel until you get inside because it does have this Chinese restaurant on the back here, and I had as the same owner with the hotel here. But that standard room, it's really tiny, yeah. So I wanted to sleep where I can relax more. I upgraded to what they called, I think they call it premium or suite room. It does have a large bed and very comfy and have a 2 air conditioning system. The one is the regular air conditioning, the mount wall, and a fan on top of you. So it helps me to sleep really good. And they have the toilet that is really magic, advanced toilet. And with that said, oh, is the guy taking me to the ferry? Yes, sir. By the way, I'm gonna go to the ferry because I need to go to Catanduanes. So I had to go around, but again, the rooms are very, very good. And they provided 2 bottles of water. Adding on that, they give you, good morning. They give you breakfast as well, but I didn't do that because I'm rushing. So yes, and the price is quite around the $37 to $40. So this is what I'm getting now. It's kind of a little like an electric, but not little because it carries. It has like a back wheel and like a small pickup. Small pickup, but has the seat where you can sit. And my bag are safe here, so I'm ready to go to Catanduanes. So these folks here, they were asking where I'm from. People tell me I'm from different. Yesterday, some people said I'm from Iran, Cambodia, Nigeria. And now he's saying, this guy say I'm from Saudi Arabia. That's really crazy. So in any way, I'm in the ferry already, and I'm ready to go to Villa Catanduanes and starting the journey there because I've been stuck. Now there is a hope that I'm gonna go. But the cyclone Ada is still in the water somewhere. It looks like it was going away. So I'm so thankful for that. But I'm gonna go up. I got my ticket already. I got the aircon ticket, which is around 400-ish. So that's the one I pick up, and I paid for the bag. By the way, they just moved my bag. They're here. They moved them because the guy was telling me if they are there, they're gonna get wet if it's rain. So they just moved them here, which is a good thing. This is the aircon one. So I'm here. I'm gonna go first to San Andres. The closest one was to wait until 1 p.m. going to Virac. But from San Andres, there is an easy trip that they can go. Also, I'm trying to see if the people who are coming to give me a ride, they can come to San Andres. But there will be quite a few miles from Virac to San Andres. I can tell how people are relaxing. And just for information, many people didn't go for a few days because of the cyclone Ada. So the way these folks go, it goes like a backward. This cloud there will go away so that you can see. But you can see still some smoky color there. It's quite interesting. And there's another one here. Pretty much this area is very volcanic area. It's super green. But some people already evacuated. When I was coming, I saw that. So this is the ferry. Now it's empty. Everyone is leaving. So my bags are here, behind here. I need to get some people. They call them porters. They're the one who are gonna help me with carrying them. Those folks, they're coming. Those one. They're the one who are gonna help with carrying. So anyway, the ride was really good. And this, I think they started loading already. It's windy, but we just come from that guy there. This is best. I'm glad we arrived here safely. So we just made it here in San Andres, and it took us like probably 3 hours from Tabaco to here. And this guy's passing on the camera. So we just come. It was really windy, but by God's grace, we made it safely here. So I'm gonna go to Virac, but the ferry is so spacious. Really good ferry. Has a good, nice seat, comfortable, the air conditioning. But I forgot my sweater in the hotel, so I have to freeze a little bit and go out. But it was bouncing. The waves. I think, as you know, the cyclone Ada is still not far from here, so you can still feel something. But I'm glad it's a little bit sunny, and I'm here in San Andres from my third time. I think it is the second biggest city after Virac in Catanduanes, and it's the port of so many ferries. I think not many, but so many trips from Tabaco that connect Virac or Catanduanes to the rest of the world. I mean, the rest of the Philippines and the rest of the world. Because myself, I came from Manila, and I couldn't make it to Catanduanes until I passed through Tabaco and come here. So the ferry is just there. It's now loading and wanna go back again. Really good transportation. Now I gotta go to Virac. So I'm gonna get this one here. It's gonna take 2 minutes Virac, and it cost me 350 to take a personal trip. So